Hey ladies, so today I'm going to be showing you how I bake my face, and I'm just going to get right into it. So starting off, I go in with my professional primer. Where I get most oily. My cap fell. Great. Next, I'm gonna go in with foundation, and this one's from Rimmel, this Match Perfection. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face. So with a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna use to apply it on my face. So you gotta bring the foundation a little bit down so it can match your neck. And personally me, so I can hide that double chin, girl. Work that double chin, girl. Okay, so for concealer, I do a mixture of these three. This one's Age Rewind, this one's Maybelline, and this one's Urban Decay. So I start off with Urban Decay's concealer because it's a little bit lighter, so it's perfect for this area of my face. And then for my extreme highlighted areas, I use the Age Rewind. And then for the chin and the forehead, I use the Maybelline one. Like so. Then back with the beauty blender, I'm just gonna buff that in. Then I'm going to go in with a translucent powder, and I'm going to bake that face, girl. I'm going to go in with the beauty blender. So I let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I just continue with the rest of my face with my Hoola bronzer. And ladies, I know I look weird right now, but you know what? Anything for beauty. So I'm just gonna get a flat brush. Smaller brush, I go in and put some highlighter in. This one's by Revolution. I'll just go back in and add some more. So,
sharp. Yes.
So then after that, I just go in and I add some mascara. Now I'm going to go in with MAC's lip liner, and this one is in the shade Boldly Bare. Boldly Bare, sorry. So now I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D's Bound and Arrow. So after I finished with the rest of my makeup, I just kind of dust everything off. So it's been about 5 minutes now. You could keep it longer, but I'm just gonna take it off now.
So with a flat brush, I'm just gonna blend in that contour. And let me just blend it all in.
Blush. Then with this small brush, I'm gonna go in and add a little bit to my nose. Like so. And a little bit to my chin. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay setting spray. So that's pretty much for today, girls. I hope you guys enjoyed.